Get a call from my child crying hysterically beginning of the week, and I support my kid, and I call my older kid support, and I tell my mom, please do the right thing, please call the family, because ngisintu, that's what we do. And a couple of days go by, and then a public statement comes out. So I'm going about my day as per normal, posting funny, cute little tweets and writing little captions on top. And I don't know what's going on, and I continue with my life because I'm having a great time. Dugu, I get a call from a journalist. Hey, Twitter is bullying you. How? But on Twitter, bullies already, right? And I listen in and I say, listen, off the record, I don't take Twitter seriously. You shouldn't take Twitter seriously either. The majority of the people, they love to create drama. I'm well, thank you so much for checking on me and the kids. Life continues. Aibo, mina ngenhliziyo yami ngisendi email ngithi yo sorry, nxese uphole, ne? Because my mama taught me that way. Do I not get an email saying, "Hi, stop pretending like you care"? And I decided to do this today, and my PR is gonna be on me. I'm in trouble with my PR. I'm in trouble with my mom. I'm in trouble with my lawyers. I'm in trouble with a lot of people right now. But I am so tired. I'm so tired of being the bigger person. In case you guys haven't noticed, I am living my life. In case you guys haven't noticed, when I said I wanted a divorce because there were 2 children by 2 different mothers, ne? And I made the decision after a lot of thinking. Even pre and post the whole situation, there was some shit happening, ne? And I haven't said a word. I have only reacted to the things that have been done to me. I'm not going to delete this, so to those of you who feel like they want to screenshot it and be the first to get the news, it's not about news for me. I have my freedom. Stop taking it away. Yes, I may not be divorced just as yet, and many little petty things could be used for the divorce case, which is, by the way, in November. So you're free to come to court, all of you, and just see the truth come out, right? This is so unfortunate because I have 2 beautiful little boys who I'm constantly trying to protect from the situation in my silence. But niyabora, nonke. To those of you who follow me to try and find something I am saying about a particular nigga, I don't care for him. I care for his well-being because I have children with him, and I care for my children. And that is why I sent an email saying, my Lord, this is crazy. Get better. I did it for my children first. You never want to see a human being go through that or lose their life while they still have children. But it's annoying how I'll get messages, how do you feel now Black Coffee has a newborn baby? I don't care. It's his life. I think everyone needs to start understanding at this point. I left for a reason. And women take long to make the decision to leave. And it took long for me. Do I wish him well? All the time. And that's why every time he does well, I will, egoless, say congratulations. However it's received, it's none of my business. I do the right thing because my mama taught me better than that. Now, to all of you who keep perpetuating this thing, I'm sure he's over it. I know I'm definitely over it. Stop. Stop going onto my profile and searching for things that don't exist. Ngiyajola, guys. Ngiyajola. Enegumnandi. Nyegeleni. I have a freedom that I'm enjoying right now. Nyegeleni. I don't have to share my personal life with you, but I think it's January. I just need to keep it so it's off my chest and so you can know how to behave from now on. Akinataba. But I care for the well-being of my children. So from my heart to yours, it's 6 years. 6 years later, you guys need to get over it. You really need to get over it. Or y'all need to find psychologists to help you get over my divorce. Because I can tell, in Petegabi, if you want to wish him well, wish him well. Ningangfagi. If I post a picture looking snatched, it has nothing to do with him and everything to do with me. So tell me I look snatched without saying, oh, he lost out. Ayla, move on. And to all of you family members, friends, my family knows I know nothing and they don't tell me anything. I always find out from the other side. I don't want to know. I'm not interested. But if it has to do with my children and their well-being, emotionally, physically, and all of the above, yes, I will say, Sepola. So to all of you following me with fake accounts, to all family members, to all friends, to all instigators, grow up. When a woman leaves, her heart was gone a long time ago. I am now going through the processes to ensure that my kids' well-being for the rest of their lives, they don't need to suffer like I did, so that they are good. Ne? So, ikamalam likipeni when it has to do with him. Ikamalake likipeni when it has to do with me. Because I have moved on a couple of times. I missed my 20s. I'm catching up. Ne? So, it's January. Now that it's all out the way, to all of you who screen grabbed it, trust me, I won't delete it. I'm going to let it live here because I feel everybody needs to see it. Iting sebenzeni. Iting is khulise futhi. Stop making it about that. It's not about that. So if you feel everything I do is about that, get a psychologist. Come to Enhle Case, we can help you. Vice versa on his end. Angina ndaba. I'm happy. Happiness cannot be bought. I am happy. Happiness cannot be stolen. My heart cannot be stolen. Ngikhathele ukuphoxana nani via my email, via in social media. Yegelani. My 33rd birthday, my Jesus age, I throw a party because it's my Jesus age. Someone comes to me, treats me badly, and I'm the bad guy. Stop it. It's enough. I've been a lady, but in Pume White Seat. The Kasi cannot leave me. I may have left the Kasi, but if we absolutely have to go there, I can do it. It's a choice not to. You know, I heard a powerful saying once that's, if you are a beast and you control the beast in you for the benefit and the safety of everyone around you, it's power. So I accept the power that I have and what I could possibly do and what could possibly shake, and I haven't. Don't push me. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge and I'm trying not to lose my shit. Post that shit. Make that shit trend on Twitter. I'm a lady, but I can also be one heck of a bitch. I have a beautiful heart, but don't push me. Don't push me. I have nothing to lose. Don't push me. So, happy 2024. I'm going to go out with my girls right now. I look cute. I feel cute. Stop it.